Hello everyone. Do you use Apple Notes that often? So if you use the Apple Note that often, you must be having a lot of documents. And from all those documents, you could be have one document that really special and important. So here I would like to show you the way how you can pin and make those documents stay into the outline so that you will get easier to find them later on. So first thing and ever, you just need to open the Apple Notes. So the Apple Notes could be symbolized with this icon, but if you cannot or hard to find this icon, just tap into this library here, note, and then you just need to tap to open. The next, you just need to wait until your document is perfectly open, and then you just need to scroll up and scroll down, and then find the documents that you think that is important to you and could be urgent to be found. And then you just need to go swipe the documents. So let's say this document or this notes is important for me and I want to make this stay into the outline. So the thing that you have to do is just slide these documents under the title into the right side, and there could be a pin options here. You can just go stay into this section and then tap it. But there could be another way that's much more easier. You just need to slide it on the right side into the whole side. So it could be directly pinned. So those documents could be stay into the outline. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.